Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back, Limon Science, another video. So, how are you doing all? I hope that you all are doing fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. After 2 months, I have created this video, and this video is going to be more interesting. So, please don't skip this video, don't neglect it, just keep watching and try to understand what I'm saying to you. So, the interesting topic is save time and build up new skills. Okay, so let's get started. That's the point. So, my dear viewers, and and most of the students, most of people think that academic certificate is enough, and they think that I have completed graduation, I have completed masters, I have completed degree, so it's enough for get a good job, it's enough for me. So no, it's a wrong idea, it's a wrong concept, because academic certificate is not enough to get a good job. Academic certificate cannot build up a new future for your life. Okay, so you have to find out some region, and you have to build up some skills, and without your academic certificate, without your uh, I mean, you should build up some skill. You should learn new thing out of your academic certificate, academic studies. Okay, so I think actually I'm trying to say that you are a student, that's enough, and you have completed your graduation. That's okay. And after that, you should learn something, and you have to build up some skills. It can be computer skills, it can be languages, and actually please try to understand what I'm saying to you. When you go to face of interview, and when you go to track a new job, the time you will face that they will requirement some skills, and these skills can be computer skills, communication skills, languages, and good common computer some phrases, and analytical skills, problem solving skills, and critical thinking, and managing system, how to manage any type of business, and marketing knowledge, and most of things that communication skills are very important for anyone. So if you want to get a good job, definitely you have to gain some knowledge, and the thing that or the knowledge can be communication skills, languages, computer skills, typing skills, and academic skills, and critical thinking, analytical skills, and problem solving skills. So it's a very important for any type of job. So that's why I'm saying that academic certificate is not enough to get a good job. So if you want to build up a good future, and if you want to get a good job, if you want to improve yourself in the future, then definitely you have to gain some knowledge. You have to build up your skills, and try to learn new thing every single day, every moment. And but what we are doing, so we are spending our time behind Facebook. Every single day we are spending our time behind Facebook, minimum 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, unlimited time. We are spending unlimited time behind unnecessary browsing internet, and we are spending our time behind unnecessary watching video. And actually most of people in Bangladesh, they're interesting to watching the actually comedian video, entertainment video. They are watching drama, movie, and funny video. Our Bangladeshi, most of people like funny video. So every single day we are spending our time behind watching unnecessary video, funny video. But we are not interested to gain knowledge. We are not interested to learning something. We are not interested to reading book. So we should make this habit to learn something, and reading book, and to gain something. And actually triumph is very important in our life. You should know that. But actually we are everybody, we know that triumph is important in our life. And we are studying about time management from our school life. But now we can't manage our time behind learning. every single day we are talking our friend, we are spending time with our friend, we are hanging out with our friend. We are doing everything, but we are not investing 30-minute time behind learning every single day. So it's our problem. And in our free time we can learn computer, we can learn typing, we can learn Microsoft, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel, database. So it's important for any type of job, and every person should have knowledge about MS Word, Microsoft Office, typing, Excel. It's a basic skills, not just for any type of job. So we can learn it more and more, and as well as we can learn communication skills, how to talk with any type of person, how to talk with buyer, how to talk our senior person, how to talk our manager, how to talk our boss, how to talk our CEO. So talk smoothly, spontaneously, and clearly, and very good way. How to convince our boss, how to convince our managing director. So it's important for any type of job in your life, and it will be helpful for your life if you know about this the matter. Communication skills very important. I don't have these skills, but I'm trying to learn it, and everyone should try to learn it. Communication skills very important for any type of job. Okay, so as well as computer skills and analytical skills and problem solving skills, and there are a lot of skills the company's requirement. It's their requirement to getting the job. Actually, when we go to apply our application to any type of job, then we will face this and we will read this, what type of skills they are requirement, and why we don't get a job, why we don't get job. And a lot of our lot of brothers sisters, they have completed their masters honors, but they are job seeker. They are seeking the job, but they didn't get job, and they don't get job. Why? What's the reason? They have a certificate, they are a good certificate from a reputed institute, but why they don't get job? Because, and the reason is, they don't have available knowledge, they don't have the good knowledge about the position, about the company, about the company. So that's why I would like to tell you, academic certificate is not enough. Academic certificate, as well as we have to learn some knowledge out of book, and this knowledge is out of book. Okay, so it's a very important. And manner, and our manner should be very modesty, very good, and we should know how to respect other, we should know how to talk politely. It's important in our life. Okay, so I have faced this problem, and I know that, and I know actually what type of knowledge do we need to get a good job. Okay, and actually, I'm not completed. I'm not. I just now I'm a student at National University, Department of English. So I'm trying to do something. Inshallah, pay for me. And thank you so much for watching this video. Next time I will try to make another video and talking to you. So please stay connected with my Facebook page and YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next time talk to you again. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.